Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add Wordtune to Chrome. Keep watching the video till the end. To add Wordtune to Chrome, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in wordtune.com and make a search. The official page of Wordtune will appear on the screen. Click on Get Started. On the next page, log into your account by entering your email address and password associated with your Wordtune's account and tap on Login. Now to add Wordtune to Chrome, all you need to do is skip the instructions and click on Let's Go. Here you can see Add to Chrome option. Tap on it. Click on Add to Chrome once again. Confirm adding of Wordtune extension to Chrome by tapping on Add Extension, and that is how you will be able to add Wordtune to Chrome quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.